Everyone is talking about AI in every industry in almost every part of the world. What I'm talking about today is focused around the insurance industry. From predictive analytics and fraud detection to claims automation and personalized customer experiences, insurers are looking for ways to use AI and automation to work smarter and serve customers better. But before organizations can take advantage of AI, they need to address a more fundamental challenge. Do they have the right data foundation in place? Insurance organizations generate enormous amounts of data every day. Policy data, claims information, customer interactions, financial reporting, broker management systems, and much, much more. The challenge isn't usually a lack of data. The challenge is that the data often lives in multiple systems, spreadsheets, and disconnected reports. When data is fragmented and reporting becomes slower, decision-making becomes harder, and AI initiatives struggle to deliver meaningful results and value. We all know AI is only as good as the data behind it. That's why the data foundation is so important. Before you can predict what's next, you need a clear and trusted view of what's happening today in your environment. This is where Microsoft Fabric and Power BI can make a significant value impact. Microsoft Fabric helps organizations bring data together from across multiple systems, including applied Epic software, into a single governed environment. Instead of maintaining separate data silos, insurers can create a centralized data foundation that supports reporting, analytics, and future AI initiatives. Power BI then transforms that data into interactive dashboards and reports that help business leaders monitor performance, identify trends, and make better decisions overall. Together, Fabric and Power BI help insurance organizations spend less time preparing data and more time using it. Many insurance brokers already use applied Epic dashboards for operational reporting. And for many organizations, they provide valuable visibility into production metrics, policy activity, and day-to-day operations. But as reporting needs grow, limitations can begin to appear. Organizations often want to combine Epic data with information from accounting systems, CRM systems, marketing systems, and other business applications. They may need executive dashboards, historical trend analysis, automated reporting, or a stronger foundation for AI and advanced analytics that their current setup just can't provide without a massive amount of manual effort. That's where Microsoft Fabric and Microsoft Power BI can complement applied Epic in a meaningful, structured, and governed way. Applied Epic helps run the business. Fabric and Power BI help analyze. As insurance organizations continue to invest in AI, analytics, and digital transformation, success will depend on having the right data foundation in place. If you're looking to modernize your reporting, connect data across multiple systems, or prepare your organization for AI, Whitecap can help. Contact us to learn how Microsoft Fabric and Power BI can support your data and your insurance strategy.